Good morning, good afternoon, YouTube test traders. Good morning, good afternoon, VIP room traders, 44 room traders, and of course the team, Clifton, DVG, Scott. Welcome everyone, and let's just start the usual preparation session. Hi, Steve C, watching PLTR, AMD, BP, AIP as well for a long. Thank you very much. We are just going to check it soon. Hi, Andy. Good morning to you. Nice to see you here. Well, yesterday, first trading day of the week, that was a quite of a successful day to start the week with, at least here in the TEFS YouTube room. The majority of the traders just ended in green. I'm not complaining. I had 4 trades, 3 winners, and 1 smaller loser. So I was quite nicely to the green side. I really like starting and ending the week in green as well. And green is our favorite color for sure. Hi, Clifton. Good morning. Okay, traders. So, yesterday the bulls just roared back, definitely. And we have seen a beautiful, let's see whether this is just a dead cat bounce or just another reversal after several red days on the market, and we are going to push for new all-time highs. No one knows yet. One thing is for sure, at the moment, both the S&P 500 and the triple Q are moving a bit higher. Triple Q is much stronger though, 0.30, and as you can see the SPY on my chart, it's up 0.11%. So this is what we see at the moment, small green, and everyone is wondering whether this beautiful green day, which just started the week in Monday morning, and actually the whole Monday was a huge green strike on the market, it can be continued or it's going to be another rollover. No one knows it yet. Also, at least we have some news and happenings that might going to shape the markets today, traders. And I'm just going to start on the economic front. So we got trade balance released already, and this was a bit better than expected. 9:45, we will get the final services PMI. 10 o'clock, ISM services PMI. President Trump spoke already at 8 a.m. I'm just going to talk about this as well. And later on, this is tentative, but there will be an economic optimism as well. And API weekly statistic bulletin at 4:30 p.m. just after the market close. However, this is not a huge day on the economic front, but the ISM services PMI can have quite of an impact on the market. And not even mentioning again the earnings season, traders today, AMD after the market close, PITR just dropped the earnings before the market open. So it's a quite of a important earnings week still on the market, and we will just check it soon. Hi DVG, hi Brian, nice to see you, and good morning. Okay, traders, so what else here? If I'm just checking and scrolling around the financial headlines, as I see on the Market Watch, there is like a Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq look to extend the rebound from yesterday, so it continues as Treasury yields steady ahead of services surveys, and Palantir shares hit record after the earnings. We have Pfizer news here, Tesla still, and a lot more. We are just going to talk about this soon. Hi, Miguel. Good morning to you. On the international side, well, India was not very happy indeed because of the tariffs again. And as I see, well, not too many more international tariffs, but Trump just told during his speech that he is ready to divide more tariffs on the semiconductors and the chip stocks traders. And he says that because he wants that the all of the chips are going to be made in the US and not outside of the country. So President Donald Trump said he will unveil new tariffs on semicons and chips as soon as next week. So this is going to be a quite of maybe a painful surprise for a semiconductor stock. Let's see. We are going to be announcing on semiconductors and chips, which is a separate category because we want them to made in the United States, Trump said during a lengthy interview on the CNBC's Squawk box. So this is a quite of a new update on the tariffs traders. Everyone's still witnessing, of course, the trade talks deals still between China and US. Everyone is waiting for some developments. And what else here? Not just the semicons, but seems like the pharma is in danger because he told that pharma tariffs could eventually reach up to 250%. Wow, that's quite painful, traders. So let's see how the market is going to change or got impacted by this news. Swiss stocks extended gains as leaders head to the US for the trade talks. As you remember, yesterday it was some quite of a threatening news on the tariffs for Switzerland. Let's see, might they are going to get a little bit better deal there. Hi Alamu, nice to see you. Good morning, good morning. Okay, traders, what else? Dow rebounds 600 points, as I mentioned. You wipes out Friday loss, and even S&P 500 is just pushing higher. But again, today it's coming this little test in my opinion. What else in Asia and Europe? Europe, it's nicely to the green side. Asia too. Wow, nice green stripe all over the world. However, I cannot tell this exactly to the crypto because Bitcoin is down 114,000, even lower. And on my list, Bitcoin, Coin, Roblox, Hood, Meta, JP Morgan, Tesla, oil stocks are just into the red side. Traders, ouch, that's not the best start for the triple Q. Despite of that, the triple Q is much stronger still than the SPY. Triple Q is up 0.28% and the SPY is up 0.11, no, 0.9 only. All right, traders. So as I've told you, I'm just witnessing this day as a test for this pullback is going to be continued to the downside, or this is just a reversal again, and we are heading to the upside. Today, might we will get the answer, but not sure we will. So let's just be careful with that day as well, especially 10 o'clock with ISM Services PMI, and let's see what else Trump is going to say about the tariffs during the day. Trump narrows Fed chair list. Bessent is out. Why days two rise in rankings. As you know, this is in the headlines for a while now. Like who is going to follow the Powell on the Fed chair? Because actually Powell's mandate is going to be ended, I think, next May, so May 2026. This is the last month for until May for Fed Chair Powell, and we don't know yet who is going to follow him in the chair actually. So let's see what else stocks making the biggest moves. Of course, we have a nice list, and I just would like to encourage you, if you have a fantastic candidates list, traders, please just drop it in the chat, or any candidates what you want to share with this fantastic test trading community, please just type it in the chat. Hi Vincent, good morning to you, nice to see you. And Alamu already posted his link or his list, thank you very much. Long PRT or NVDA, Tesla, SMCI, Meta, and short HIMS, which just got an earnings as well. Hi Mutaz, nice to see you. What you think SpyBot call? What do I think about the SPY? Well, S&P 500, I think, as I mentioned you, I think both of the indices, not just the SPY, but the triple Q as well, are on the brink now on a, let's call it like a decision level, whether this yesterday bounce, it was just a dead cat bounce and we do continue lower, or this is going to be a new beginning for a new all-time high. We don't know yet. Well, traders, based on the history, August is not the best month for the stocks. So I would say if the history is going to, now it's, it never repeats itself, but at least rhymes. So that means that we are going to see some more red candles coming in the next days, especially next week when Trump is just going to announce more tariffs for the semicons and the chip stocks. This might going to cause some turbulence. So Mutaz, I must tell you, I am expecting some more continuation to the downside. But on this very strong bullish market, anything can happen. So let's just go with the flow. If it's still strong, let's go for the longs. if we see some rollover, let's just get to the short side. Okay, hi Lee, good morning to you. You're watching Leonard Corporation and SCZL. Thank you very much. I'm just going to check them. Well, I was mentioning though my first candidate on the list, which is PLTR traders. Palantir just issued a fantastic report, earnings report, and this is just heading above $170. I think it's not a question for anyone that this needs to go to the long list. So I'm just going to start my list, as I see Scott already posted his list, and definitely his first long candidate, PLTR. What else? On the short side, I'm going to put Bitcoin already. Not Bitcoin, but the coin. Hood is moving back as well. I'm going to be aware of that. Coin is down 4.64%, and maybe Roblox, but yeah, I think Roblox is going to go lower. Indeed, Tesla is quite weak too, and NVIDIA, maybe this announcement from Trump that the semicons and the chips are going to get more tariffs. This is definitely going to have an impact already on the chip stocks, guys. So let's be careful. However, MU is going higher, AMD is going higher. AMD earnings after the market close, so definitely I'm going to watch AMD as well. The next one on my list is Pfizer, 1.7% higher. The drug maker raised its guidance and second quarter earnings that topped the analyst estimates. Also, it's up 2.34%. I'm going to move it to the long list, but I'm going to be careful because this is not a huge mover at all. Yum Brands to the short side is just down because missed expectations. So YUM, as I see Scott is just put it on his short candidates list. So this is quite of a disappointing results for YUM. I'm just going to check it here. This is down like 2.71%. I'm not quite satisfied with the volume, but this is a big mover. So let's just give a chance for the YUM. Eaton Power Management Company is 3% lower after issuing a really weak guidance. So ETN, let me just check the pre-market volume, looking better. I love the daily. It's extended to the upside. It just got a bad news. Definitely one of my favorite short candidate like that. BP is here. It's an oil company. Added 1.7 because it beat expectations. I'm just going to put it to my secondary list. I think I never traded BP. Not my type of stock indeed. Duke Energy is here as well. DUK. Beautiful move to the upside on the earnings beat. Let me just look at this daily chart of the DUK. Ooh, bit extended and very low volume. Not my type of stock. So I'm just going to move it to the secondary list. Hi, Zuki. Yep, Tesla Robotaxi lawsuit. Thank you very much for the news. Thanks a lot. And the PRT are definitely on the long side. Zuki, QUBT. I'm just checking it soon. QUBT. Okay, QUBT. 8% higher. Wow, that looks like as a fantastic daily reversal. I like Zuki QUBT. I'm just going to move it to the secondary list because I have a lot on the long list already, but looks really good. Lemonade is here. Lemonade, it's a quite of a big mover, guys. So let's just watch it. It's up 7% after the earnings. Let me just check it to the long side. Hims and Hers pulled back down nearly 12%. Ouch. Missed estimates from analyst poll. No, this is a big mover, so definitely we are going to trade it to the short side. Exxon is still here. Exxon Enterprises. Exxon is up 7%. Also, again, earnings, but I'm wondering whether the volume is enough for this $800 stock. Ooh, 37,000 on the volume only. This is not enough for me. I'm going to pull it to my list or put it on my list, but only to the secondary list, okay, traders, because the pre-market volume is 37,000 and the stock, it is just over 800. That means for me that this is this is going to be a quite of a widespread stock. That's why I'm going to be cautious on that. Syndex Pharma, Zebro Technology, and Mercado Libre. Okay, so SNDX up 17% after biopharma company second quarter revenue beat analyst expectations. It's a bit too much to the upside, but let's see how does it look like on the daily chart. SNDX 17.63. All right, daily chart extended. I love that stock. That looks really good. Actually, I'm going to put it to the long side. Zebra Technologies is here as well. This is a mobile computing company, 7% higher, 6 only now. Reason for that earnings, of course, but I have some concerns about the, oh, okay, it's not tradable on the TEFS, so let's just leave it. And Mercado Libre is the last one, which is down 4%, but this is a $2,295 stock. Let's just leave it alone. Indeed, if you like it, of course, you can just put it on your list. And I forgot about DuPont, DD, a chemical maker, as you know, 5.6% higher on earnings. Let's see how does DD look like on the daily. So DuPont at the moment 6% higher, low volume, but I'm going to give the chance for that stock indeed. Yes, RGTI, IONQ. Okay, thank you. Yes, again, the quantum computing stocks are going higher. We are going to watch that on the long side. And you mentioned even SMCI and Meta, Alamo to the long side. I've seen Meta, it's a little bit red, like 0.28, so I would be careful with Meta, but I agree with you, this can be like a crazy mover. And SMCI, I don't know. Let's just really be careful with this that Trump just was talking about extra tariffs for the semicons and the chip stocks. SMCI, though it looks strong, I really like this possible reversal on the daily. So I completely understand why you just mm, get it to the long side. We can watch it. You know what? Especially the $60 level, I would say, but looks interesting. What else on the list, traders? I'm just checking my list quickly, which is the TEFS platform list on the gainers and losers. Just a second. I really like this feature in this platform. And I forgot VRTX. You see, and one stock or company that's just released the earnings, as far as I remember, after market close yesterday. And look at that, how weak it is. So VRTX is still going to go to the short side, VRTX. All right, what else in here? NXTG, I don't like that. What? I cannot see too much ETN. We call it already on the short. Circle, guys, Circle is down 3.83%. Ouch. Might we can just watch it on the secondary list. Wow, too many stocks so far. To the long side, what else which I'm just seeing here? Exxon, we call it, but low volume. PLTR is here already. DuPont, BMRN, which is up 6.25%. Traders, if you like that stock, BMRN, which is quite strong as well. Okay, ERG, MNDY, Monday.com, 3.7%. You are right, definitely IONX, it's here. Twilio, guys, 3.45% higher. So we have a little bit more to the long side. But traders, I'm just going to leave it like that. It's enough candidates for sure. So let's just work with days in the beginning of the day. And of course, VIP room traders, I wish you a beautiful green day. As always, you are going to be in the great hands of DVG and Scott here in the 44 trading room, VIP room. And of course, I'm going to see you again tomorrow at 9 a.m. as always. So good luck, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye. All right, YouTube test traders, I am here with you for you, and I'm just going to get my list for you. PLTR, as you can see, LMND, SNDX, DuPont, Rigetti, IONQ to the long side, Coin, Hood, VRTX, Tesla, YAM, ETN, and HIMS to the short side. And we have a little bit more even on the secondary list, as you can see. So one thing is for sure, we are not going to get bored. That's definitely right for today. Again, so LMND I'm going to watch for sure. This is a quite of a big mover here. Okay, Pfizer, I don't like Pfizer too much, so I'm not going to put it there. SNDX, maybe. This is a lower price stock, but might this can be a quite of a surprise for us on the move. Rigetti, definitely, or GTI on my list. IONX too. IONX and QUBT, as Zuki just IONQ or X? X, yeah. And QUBT as well. This is quantum computing stocks indeed. And traders, as you know, this is Tuesday. I forgot the day. Hi, Amir. I'm just going to get you into the room. Just a second. No, they are not hearing you yet, but I am on it. So traders, Amir is going to join us in a second. I'm just working on the technical side, just a sec, and you will hear him. Okay, here we are. Okay, just a sec, traders. Okay, Amir, I think they can hear you. Please just say
Okay.
something.
Hi, Aggie. Hi, traders.
Hi.
Hear
Nice to
me?
have you here. I do hear you. Let's see what the guys are writing soon. Hi, Ryan. Good morning to you. So, traders, please just get us a feedback whether you can hear Amir as well.
Sound great. Thank you.
Fantastic. How are you,
Okay.
Amir?
I'm good. I'm good. Lots of candidates. I kind of, this is my list. I just posted. I'm just focus on the opening. Haley. Hims, AMD. And I forgot FIG. Of course, FIG. FIG. Oh, I already did like two trades in FIG and HIMS, and definitely these are amazing candidates. So all the attention need to be toward them. I have the levels, I saw what they did on the pre-market. So
Yes.
yeah. Let's see. I'm open-minded. Like HIMS, for example, is 12% down. No problem to long it. So I'm always try to be objective, and lots of institutional there. I don't know what they're gonna do. Let's see according to their move on the opening. And if you have questions, guys, ask. Don't just post triggers. I think the best you can do is learn. We learn from you, you learn from us, and ask the questions because the solution and give trades is the easiest way, to think and see whether you thought on. You get what I mean? Yeah. You need
Yep.
to be. You have to be at your own ideas, your own opinion, and just follow the triggers that again I will give you. It's fine. I had some guy that wanted to do mentoring, and I didn't even talk with him, because sometimes according to the conversation I can know if the guy's serious. Yeah. So when somebody says, I get triggers, I just want to. So that he's not in that level even. So why should he waste even money? And I will waste my time. So try to be not that guy. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Probably Aggie met also a few. Even though she's nice, she's not gonna tell you, but I'm gonna tell you that she
No, no,
met.
I did like during my I don't know how many years, more than a decade, I'm mentoring traders as well. And actually, I remember I had two cases when I've told that no way you should not trade. Like when you see that he cannot cope with the stress or too much financial pressure. None of them is good for trading, unfortunately. Anyway, trading is quite a challenge on the psychological side, and if you have like a situation in your life that is difficult, it's better to stay away, in my opinion,
Yeah,
because
definitely. The mental issue
we know
is,
the
yeah,
outcome. We know the
yeah, yeah.
outcome, unfortunately.
If there's nothing that your life is in a good shape, don't even try to. I met amazing trader, but the surrounding of them was absolutely terrible. So that's what failed them. Really, really, they were
Hmm.
amazing one.
Hmm.
So, and with this optimistics, let's start the day. Then
Okay. How was your yesterday trading day? Hi, Zainab.
yesterday was pretty good. I did. Only on the long because I couldn't have to do short, but I did some nice scalping on Fig, and there was an amazing momentum. That's the key, guys. Even during lunch, sometimes when you trade, if you see something that there was some VRMD, I don't remember the name. There was a stock like I bought it like at 19 with I think 30, 40 cents, and you know the first partial was like 27, like it was like
Wow.
the wet dream of a trader.
Oh,
Like
yes.
there was some, sometimes there is momentum trade. I don't even remember. You know what, I will watch the name
I
in
don't
the,
know.
yeah, I will tell you in a second because probably it got there on the list. Yeah, verb, VERB.
VERB, maybe it's not
Yeah.
readable on the test. Let me just check it. In the meantime, you have a question from Ryan. Were you short or long HIMS this morning, Amir, pre-market?
Just a second. Um,
No, I cannot show it.
on the pre-market, uh, in this case, I did long. I did long on hymns. Um, Agi, do you have the pre? Can you put hymns in
Sure.
pre-market? Five
Five
minutes.
minutes. Yes,
Yeah,
it's there already.
yeah. This is the 5 minutes. Yeah. So you actually can see we're almost Aggie yellow line a little bit above. You have a nice
Mm-hmm.
cup there above the
Yes,
view of
this
like
one.
again you're not going to trade stocks that have 100 or 200,000 shares. If you have huge momentum, you actually see the price action and everything. It was like really good. And FIG also had some nice trigger. It kind of bounced from 90 to 91. So
Mm-hmm.
91, sorry, to 92. So that's it. I'm not doing it often, but I was starting to go work on, and I start seeing the levels, and
Nice.
basically, yeah. What's
Mm-hmm.
your stocks? Oh,
I really liked HIMS. I'm definitely going to watch it. RGTI quantum computing stocks are strong. Watching Tesla, it got some bad news today.
did,
PLTR on my list.
did you see
Coins.
yesterday? You have to explain to me that my daughter showed me the American Eagle commercial with that beautiful model. What happened there that actually that model caused the stocks to how many percentage? Lots of percentage. AEO. Did you see yesterday?
No, no,
Look
I
at the
completely
EO.
missed it.
Aggie, you missed the real thing, Aggie.
Yeah, I did.
Commercial blonde girl,
Wow,
and
okay.
yeah, Aggie.
No,
This is
Sydney, not
the
Sydney Sweeney, or which
Sydney
girl?
Sweeney. Yeah,
Yeah.
Sydney Sweeney. Yeah, yeah. Okay, this is the simple one: blonde girl, money, and okay.
Okay, okay.
So,
I'm
yeah.
out of this world.
No, I'm out
Actually,
of. I didn't know. I heard after, like, because I knew that
wow.
AEO
Okay.
is not a big mover.
No,
So
no, but it moved like crazy. Hi, Sharko. Good morning to you.
yeah,
Um,
bricks, definitely, definitely. You have to
Journaling your
journal.
trades.
Yeah, you have to. The moment you're not journaling, you can quit.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. It means that the sun is shining you nowhere. Okay, guys, let's see that the sun will shine from the right place today. So good luck.
Good luck,
Let's start.
everyone.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm wondering whether this yesterday green move on the market, it was like just a dead cat bounce or we do continue higher. Ooh, Amazon moving higher. Just seeing that. Hi, D King. Yeah, we try, we try.
Okay.
Okay.
So there is this NVTS. There is the hymns. Okay, the hymns, the big bars. Yeah, we need to see something.
Tesla nice pullback.
And we haven't talked even about PLTR, huh, Agi?
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah,
going to be a crazy one.
that guy is doing amazing. NVTS.
Okay. I don't have BLTR.
Yeah, you have too many.
Here.
Uh,
Yes, it's too many stocks for today. Microsoft Circle is down. Bitcoin related stocks
oh,
are
look what
down.
happened in AMD, Agi. Wow, what's going
Oh,
on there? Yeah. I'm watching
listen,
AMD.
I
AMD because of
think
the earning.
Trump, no, it was Trump. Trump told that next week extra tariffs coming for the semicons and the chip stocks.
Oh, guys.
I think it's Trump's fault. Okay, AMD is down, Nvidia is down too. LMND, wow, it's
Yeah, LMND has tons of short inside, so probably if
yes,
it's up, they just kick short squeeze.
yes, I think so as well. Okay.
The CEO of LMD like to, he's been in TED. He likes to, to be on press and everything to
Oh,
say that.
really? Okay,
Yeah,
did
they're
not know that.
Israeli, I think.
Ah,
Yeah, yeah. It's an insurance company that less people. Everything is like AI, blah blah blah.
I
So
see. I see. Hi, Vidas. Nice to see you. UA, are you watching? Okay. And WMT, Tesla 306. All
my
right,
volume
good
is
luck.
high. I will talk softly. I got excited, Deacon. I will calm myself.
Okay. I just lowered your volume.
Okay, so I will continue to shout. Okay, 55.74. Um,
Yeah, Semics are just a bit crazy this morning, as I see.
um, I want to start with hymns. I'm writing you here. I'm going to start half position. I want to test it. 55.74. It's going to be like, I will do cup luck.
Mm-hmm.
Going to be like 50 cent stop.
I like
It,
this. I'm going
let's
to
see if
join.
it's work immediately. If not, I'm going to try again. But yeah, definitely I want to do it.
Looks like a possible nice gap and go, at least on the setup side. Okay, who this
Okay, we're
target will
in.
be?
We're in. Now, another one is FIG 9120. 9120. Wow, the stop. Wow. Fig. Wow. Mm, okay, hymns did like 40 cents. Came back to entry. Low of hymns 55.37. Low of the day 54.70. And pre-market low is really, we have tons 53, like 2 points from here. Um,
Mhm.
Under 55.30, I'm gonna add more in sorry in hymns 55.30. Yeah, the low of the previous candle 37. I didn't want to immediately under because exactly what's happened. Why? FI. Sorry. Yeah, FIG. Wow, look what happened. 91.20. I didn't. It just jumped to 92. Yeah,
Mm.
dollar move.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. See, Agi. Wow. Yeah, yeah. I was hesitate. Don't you
Uh,
should not hesitate.
I
Yeah, I didn't
know,
know
I
what
know.
to stop. I didn't know where to stop. So you don't ever stop. You don't. So,
Exactly. Sometimes I miss them as
but
well,
still
but
I'm mad,
okay.
Agi. Still I'm mad. Yeah, yeah. Still mad. Yeah. Okay.
Vidic, if you want to short Roblox, I'm with you.
Agi,
Just
I'm short in
kidding.
Roblox, Agi. Yeah.
Not me, Vidic just called
Ah,
you.
Vidi. Okay. Okay, FIG, what can we
128.
do?
Hmm.
Hmm.
I'm still just watching it. I still like HIMS. I get in as well with the full share size.
I'm lowering my stop above 56, so it's gonna be like a 30 cents in HIMS. So if it's not gonna break the low here, my stop will be less for the half position, like instead of 50, like 30 cents. Yeah, I need to do it. The key is if we're doing now, bear flagged, or we just base in here. So we have
Hmm.
to see. I fig. Ay, ay, ay.
Wow,
$1.50.
still
Yeah,
pushing
yeah.
higher.
That was amazing point, but amazing point.
Yeah, I still cannot see anything else, which I so really
Ay.
would like to.
After $2 in fig,
Yeah.
Aggie, we can close the room today, I think. Yeah,
Early,
yeah.
early day.
Yeah, you have to pack, Aggie, so you have more time to pack.
Oh, yes, definitely. I
See?
need all of the time. You
Okay, I'm
cannot
still
trade
watching.
FIG. Okay, Vidic? Me neither.
You can't play, you can't trade it long?
No, I think on the test it's not open, but
Really?
uh,
Weird. Why?
because the risk manager is always deciding
Really? But
which
it's not an
stocks.
IPO. It's not like the
No,
first day,
no.
and it's not a short, so.
Don't worry, I'm going to let him
Ask
open.
them. I think it's
Yeah, I
just
do.
yeah, yeah. There's no reason should.
Okay. I think
Okay.
in some minutes it's going to be open, guys.
See, guys, Aggie can move the worlds. Yeah.
In your platform, it's an amazing pump and dump stock. Yeah, definitely. Amazon, ooh, market just broke. Wow. All right. So another huge green day coming. Let's see. Roblox no short, Vidic. You're welcome at the moment. Spy typically new daily high traders. Seems like that my second scenario is driving that indices are going back for a new all-time high. NVIDIA huge reversal. AMD I'm going to watch too. Apple though it's weak. Apple is weak. HIMS, this is not the right direction.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Exactly, not the right direction. This is why I'm happy that we actually got half size and we got
Yeah.
lower stop. So basically, I lost like a quarter.
Okay.
See? I pick IHIMS instead of FIG. So FIG did two and something dollar, and that one, yeah. But it's happened a lot. What can we do?
Yes. Oh no. It's just the beginning of the day. It's okay. I'm watching QUBT. No clear entry yet, but I'm really watching that stock looks
Yes,
quite nice.
yesterday I traded, Aggie, and I made few, but not what they didn't have the same momentum like today. Really,
Mm,
it didn't have.
not really. All right. Watching YUM now. YUM. Mm, so. So far traders market is getting stronger again. 9:45 we will get some news and 10 o'clock more news coming. I'm watching YUM, but there is the 200 EMA and it's too late. I just missed that. Unfortunately, PATR is starting to be stronger here. SMCI as well. Okay. SMCI. Yep. I'm going to get QUBT over 1642.
Yeah, I'm joining you. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. We have some
16.
resistance like 15 cents after, but
Yeah.
what do you did the pre? Yeah, but we have tons of space according to the to the pre-market.
Yep.
Looking
Let's
good. We'll
see.
join you.
Okay. QUBT. Overall market looking strong. SMCI already higher. I missed that nice breakout there. And the market is higher, but consolidating there a little bit. Okay. What VRTX? That was a really weak one before the market opened. Ah, too much to the downside. Okay. If you have any candidates, traders, any trading idea, please just share it with us. NVDA, Alamu NVDA over 180.30. Yeah, that looks like in a beast mode like just yesterday, right? QUBT is in 180. Yeah, it looks like a nice continuation. Indeed. I mean on the NVDA. VIDIC triple M. Oh, that's weird. Triple M. It's running only on news. Okay. Yeah, it's just pulling back now. Okay. Triple Q looks like as a breakout again. AMD nothing. Penny stocks SMXT. John checking SMXT. What is that? Solar Max technology. Okay. Ooh, nice catch.
If you caught it, yeah. Where did you take it to? Around two?
Hopefully, yeah, two was a nice entry
Okay.
there.
I'm watching you for you the weekly. 270, you have some resistance. And after that, 370. 270, you have to see. Yeah, definitely.
180, even better.
190. The only
Even
question is,
better.
why didn't you tell us? Yeah.
I cannot trade it, but it's okay. All right, so far market is moving, but not my favorite. I mean, it's quite slow. This HIMS, it's amazing. PLTR, I'm watching, wondering whether it can push over this 175 level there. Maybe 175, 40, 50. Oh no, still going to watch it. How about coin? Where is coin? Don't know. Tesla, what a comeback. Okay, coin. Not really. Next time, thank you, John. We would definitely appreciate it. Oh, how could I miss this yum? Oh, come on, QUVT. Okay. Cannot see anything which I would say, wow, this is the one. No, I missed the ATR. I was thinking too long. 1x. Can't believe this market is still pushing higher. Wow. Now let me just check the SPY here. Ah, SPY is not close to the all-time high, but definitely pushing higher now. UNH. Now let me just check UNH.
I want to do FIG half over 92.10, 60 cents, and add over the 50, 92.50. So I'm cutting my size into two.
Mm-hmm. Okay, waiting for this QUBT to break this 0.50 now. LMND, what a beast today. All right, traders, seems like the bulls are quite strong today as well. Apple is breaking higher too. UNH, I don't know this UNH actually. Still going to watch it, definitely very extended to the downside. But no entry yet there. Overall market is just pushing higher. That's it. Okay. Financial stocks are weak, as I see. JP Morgan. Going to watch JP Morgan traders because this looks like as a weaker stock for today. No entry now. What's the partialing point for you on QUBT, Amir?
Towards the round number 17, I think we have some resistance, like we broke it. We need to see that it's
Okay, I like that. You missed hymns, John. Well, yeah, just try to short it, but just tricked us. Some buyers just got in here. Tesla, wow. AMD, AMD flying, Tesla flying, NVIDIA not that much. RGTI, IONX, all of the quantum computing stocks are strong, guys. So hopefully it's going to be a nice move here. But Google. Wow. Come on, QUBT, push it higher now. Still suffering around this 60, 50, 60. SMCI stronger. Wandering on hood. Still going to watch it. Okay. 9:45. We had the final services PMI or the which one? One of it. Just checking the news. Okay. ISM services PMI going to drop at 10 o'clock. Final services PMI is out already, and it was better than expected. Okay. Oh, come on, QUBT. Apple. Look at that HIMS.
I know, but let
That's
me see.
insane.
Yeah.
Okay, SPY is pulling back a bit. And FIG? That's crazy.
Yeah.
JP Morgan. Market is a bit, I don't know, or big stocks are weird. Okay, QUBT still in green, but we really need to see a push now. JP Morgan moving lower now. PLT are quite muted. It's not doing too much. Okay, come on, QUBT. Here we go. 30 more cents to go there. RGTI. It's crazy. Actually, this Tesla is starting to be stronger than weaker. Doesn't matter what was the news. Okay, nice move QUBT. 10 more cents and I'm going to take a partial here. SPY pulled back a little bit, but not too much. Okay. I feel like the market is starting to be in this little bit in this summer mode, Amir. Like
Yeah.
it's
You see, this is
moving, but
why there's no. I don't see any trade. I'm watching too many
yeah.
stocks, except the QBPT. I got a partial. I just saw an order. Yeah, I got 97. Yeah.
I'm just going to take the partial now, the QUBT traders, and stop loss is going to be on the entry now. Nice
Yeah.
push. It's still over
Yeah. Good trade.
17.
Good trade. Good trade.
Nice trade.
Yeah. Trigger. Direct. No hustle and bustle.
Yeah,
Straight to
something
work. Yeah. Exactly.
something is working now, not HIMS. Actually I'm expecting HIMS on a pullback, a small pullback soon, I think. Okay. You making a recovery. Like, okay. Let me just check. You. This is the symbol. Never
Yeah.
traded
No.
this.
No. I think it's 3 times. It's the uranium ETF. I think.
No, it's something energy something. Wow. That's a huge push to the upside on that stock. Okay, that looks interesting. But for me, it's too much to the upside. A little bit. No added yet, Fig. You are welcome, man. Yeah, that was a nice trade. Unfortunately, HIMS, it was a loser for me as well. But this QUBT, it's hopefully is going to be a really nice big winner because so far, if you're just checking RGTI traders, I1Q, all of them are going. And look at that Tesla. I knew if it's breaking 310, it's not going to stop. Look at this craziness now. It broke 310, now it's on 312 in no time. What a move on the market again. Crazy. Okay. So QUBT stop loss is going to be on the entry. I cannot see anything else which I would really say that this is my trade. I mean, my setup. Oh, GTI, wow. Yeah. This HIMS looks a little bit tempting here to short it under 60.20, and I'm going to do it. It's another revenge trade, guys. You were mentioning something, Amir, last time with, how
Second
did...
chance and not
Yes,
revenge.
second
Yeah,
chance.
second.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, exactly. So this is the one.
Where is your entry?
60.20, under 60.20.
Stop is the high of the day.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
QUBT still going, but I'm going to be out on, I think, under 1650 actually on the QUBT. As I see even in the VIP room, someone asked the HIMS under 60. Okay. How about Reddit? Reddit was a beast in the recent days. I would see a... Oh no, it's the third big green day on the Reddit. That's amazing, this stock is. Okay. HIMS has not entered yet, traders, so this is going to be my third trade waiting for it. And Amir, this FIG, it looks for me like a short under
I don't.
88.
I don't think I have a short. I don't
Mm.
think I have. Do you have a short? You
No,
didn't have
no.
long. Now you. Oh, okay.
On
Yeah.
FIG, FIG.
Yeah. You have shorts? I don't think.
No,
Let's see if
no,
I
no.
have.
It's just looking like a short. But I don't know. I don't like messing with these IPOs actually.
No. There's no problem. Let's see. I'm going to throw an order to see.
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't.
Mm.
Don't have a
Ah, you
short.
cannot short it. Aha.
No. No.
Okay. All right. So market is slow, very slow actually. On the SPY, I see a head and shoulders, guys. So I assume if it's breaking 631, but there will be a small pullback. So decking. We should get this DQQQ here. Let me just check it. No, just get ready in any case. And actually my 8820 is going to be my get ready on the TQQQ short. Do you trade TQQQ, Amir?
I used to do it. Yeah, it's been a while since I did it, but yeah, why not? Makes sense. It's much more powerful than to do the QQ.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't need that much funds for that and so on. Let's see. Stop loss over the high, of course. Okay, and look at that HIMS does not stop. It really wants to fill this gap. Amazing. All right. SNDX not doing too much. How about Dupont? I forgot about Dupont. Ah, Scott called HIMS under 60 as well. Dupont big pullback. What else? PLTR stuck. Yep. Okay. Always forgot about OKLO.
No, I saw it, but it
Oh,
was like it was like a bull already
crazy. Yeah.
running. I was watching also the SMR. You know, it's the same sector, but
Mm-hmm. Okay. Ew, traders, TQQQ. Okay, I'm ready to take a partial. Wow, that was just out of the blue. Out of the blue, guys, look at that. Look at that. Take your partial. Beautiful. Okay, 75% of my share side, I'm just taking a partial. Took it. And stop loss is going to be over 88 and 33. Ah, I news. Okay. I'm a bit slow today and tired. I feel like I'm here. I was not even checking the time. So I must
really,
tell you that luck was on my side at this time. It's
why
ISM
not?
and
Sometimes we
yes,
need luck.
exactly.
What do you think, Aggie, about
Exactly.
NVTS? NVTS?
And VTS. Checking.
Yeah.
VTS. Ah, that was a nice surprise from TQQQ, guys. I hope you could. Ah, no, you missed it, Dicky. Sorry for you. Okay, NVTS. I don't know. It's just too much to the upside now. Maybe it's going to pull back
I know. I'm
a
watching
bit.
it. I'm just watching
Mhm.
it. Yeah.
It looks interesting
Uh,
for later, maybe. Hmm. Okay. Um, Traders, as you can see, my last shares are still in, and I'm just going to set my stop loss to the TQQQ. I'm back nicely to the green side, and hmm, on the how is it called, the QUBT, I'm just going to set my stop loss under 1675, locking in some profit as well. Both of the stocks are still doing great. The QQQ is an ETF, but you understand. So on the QUBT, I'm just going to put my stop loss under this double candles low here. So SL moving to my direction, 1675, looking in some profit there, traders. And overall market pullback. I'm just checking the news, but I'm sure that this economic news was not the best at all. Let me just check it. And this was the ISM services PMI, which was lower than expected. Lower than expected and lower than the previous data. So that's definitely not a good news. Okay. HIMS still looks tempting. Now maybe under 6150, but maybe it's better not to
wow.
chase it.
Yeah.
Feel like I'm going to chase it again. Yes, John,
He's
thank
gonna
you very
chase you
much.
back. He's gonna chase you back. Believe me.
Yeah, I know. I
HI,
know.
HIMS is the same.
I know. Where did I take the partial? I took it between 88 and 87.90, somewhere like that on the TQQQ. And somehow my entry was 88.33, but I put it under 88.20, so I don't get it too much what happened there. But sometimes the spread can be on your side as well. Okay. QUBT still looks marvelous, traders. Let's go for an extra 50 cents there to take a second partial. TQQQ, I want to see this 88 to be really broken for good. But maybe this was just a bounce, lower, and we are going to see a reversal. However, SPY on under the $631 level, as I mentioned you, there is the 100 EMA on the daily. This is what I'm watching as a stronger support. If it's going to break it through, and especially the 630, might we will see some pullback on the overall market. Okay, TQQQ coming for the second partial is going to be around 87.60, and then I just let it run. Okay, Amir, maybe things are going to speed up now with this pullback finally. On the highs, the market could not do anything else.
Believe me, I'm watching, Aggie. I'm not talking, but I'm
I
watching.
know.
Like I'm watching Tesla, for example. Look at Tesla. It's
Oh
like
yeah.
310 80 if it's gonna keep dollar stop. It's exactly in that level. You see, like at least for me, it's on the 9 EMA and 310 80 dollar stop. I just want to see that we're actually keeping the we have a range 310 75 309 80. We have 30 seconds to finish this 2 minutes. In 5 minutes, it doesn't look ready yet, which usually I will go to the 5 minutes, but
Okay. Yeah, actually, even NVIDIA looking weaker now as well. It's
Nvidia
179.
didn't do nothing. You see, it's in the range
Yeah.
of the first five. There's nothing in Nvidia. Tesla, yeah, Tesla is good. Maybe we can buy Tesla around 309, around the VWAP.
Mm-hmm. Vidic, really? Since 7th of January, the ISM, it's lower and lower. Ouch. That's definitely not good news for the economy, at least. Okay, traders, I'm out of QUBT with some logged in profit, and TQQQ is still running. Can't believe this HIMS cannot pull back a little bit. That doesn't seem like. Apple is still strong though. Apple is still quite strong here. ETN. Okay, ETN 378.30.
Okay, Tesla 310.50. I'm gonna join it with a dollar stop. Want to see the 310.50. I want to see the price and the bid, and probably around 311.20. I want to see the volume. If it's gonna go the way I want it, I will even add more. Stop is not a big here. I just want to see. So 310.50 dollar stop.
Nice, yeah. Apple does not care about the overall direction. It's just pushing higher and higher. Seems like
Okay,
the
Tesla.
triple Q is bouncing too.
Okay, now NVTS. I want to short it under 7. Pretty small stop, like around 20 cents. If it's gonna go down, I like what I see there. Like established like a solid stop, and
HIMS filled the gap and it still continues. I think
it's
no.
gonna do the reciprocal range. It's
Yeah,
gonna do the reciprocal, yeah.
yeah. PRT are completely stuck. She's not moving anywhere. Microsoft weak though. Okay. I'm still holding TQQQ, stop loss 88.21 traders, 88.21, and I want to see it down under this 87.60 for the second partial, and the market is back to the lows, so let's just watch the next step there from the bulls, whether they can keep these lows there. Interesting market today. Alex just wrote that the verb is halted, Amir.
Verb.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, but today you see there's nothing. The momentum is gone. But thank you, Alex. You know what? I had to watch it. Um, yeah, it's gone. Sometimes you need to be in the right place. What happened yesterday? It was the right place.
The right timing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still holding the last shares of the TQQQ and waiting for this market to decide on the direction finally. Again, who is stronger again? Coin down. Okay. Lemonade is still pushing higher as well. Okay, so I'm out of QUBT. TQQQ hanging on a thread. Let's see. OKLO higher. Wow. Okay. Ah, HIMS. I see a red candle. NVTS. I like this NVTS. I'm going to join you.
Yeah, NVTS under 7, 20 cent stop.
SPY is still struggling here, as I see. Oh, it would be great to have the second partial on this TQQQ. We need more bears. HIMS is amazing.
You see every attempt to go down, buyers are coming.
Yeah, so far every small dip it's a buyer time. Feels like a scalping trading day, Vidik. Yep. Well.
Scalping on hymns, good luck.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
it's really.
Okay, come on TQQQ. 20 more cents to take this partial there. Apple looks weak, or strong. NVIDIA looks weaker now, but the overall market is don't like this too many, this consolidation time on the market. It's never good. And here comes the 630 soon on the SPY, another test. And look at the HIMS, another bull flag coming. That stock is insane. Okay. Coin is weak, as I see. Circle is weak. Just checking stocks for a chance when the market is breaking down, because I'm already have the TQQQ. Okay, guys, FIG is open. Vidik, FIG is open.
Really? Okay. Not that it's doing something.
But
91.50.
it's open.
90, yeah. 91.50 is a good area maybe for scalping. I'm just watching it. Um,
Okay, market. Decision time for the market. Come on. Hood is starting to be stronger as well. Nice short on the NVTS. I did not join at the end.
And VTS definitely you should be with huge amount. There was like 16-cent stop,
Mm.
and you actually size it according.
Mm-hmm. HIMS is fighting hard for another breakout, as I see. What a huge comeback from that stock today. It's unbelievable. It was on $55. Now it's almost up $10. Nice, Vidik. Yeah, I'm just going to check it here. FIG. FIG. Okay. So it seems like the HIMS going for another breakout. If it breaks the 64, I'm not going to take it for sure. It's just not the right risk-reward ratio for me anymore. Overall market, SPY looking weaker, still looks weaker on the SPY for me. Let me just check Meta. Nothing. Okay, my stop loss on the TQQQ is going to be over 88, like 88.05 now. HIMS ready to break again. And the SPY maybe doing a reversal here. Let's see. And VTS is unable on the TEFS.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so traders, here comes our TQQQ finally for the second partialing point soon. I want to see this 87.60 there. Would be great. Market, hard to decide what it wants, but there will be another breakdown. Okay, 87.50, fantastic. Here we are. TQQQ. I'm just going to buy back half of my share size again. We just broke 87.50, fantastic. And I'm going to move my stop loss over 87.80. So second partial just done. And I'm going to move
Okay,
my
look,
stop loss. Yeah,
look at HIMS 62.90. HIMS
62.90.
62.90. Really small stop, like 25 cents.
Okay. Yeah, I like it.
Looks good on
I
5
like it.
minutes, and so we're talking about 62.19. Ah,
Hmm?
no, it's what's the stop there? I didn't read it correctly. Uh, the low is 62.91. Ah, it's a dollar stop, which is fine.
Looks nice. I like it. The market is breaking down too. Doesn't mean that HIMS will, because it actually does not care about the market at all. But looks great. I'm going to join there if it goes down. Okay, NVTS open, guys. NVTS open for you, Raspi. Only for you.
Mm. If you're
Good.
still in, you should be in NVTS. It's like it's 1-to-1, but again, what's important in this trade is just the size. When you have 16 cents, probably it's a big figure.
Yep. Oh, seems like NVIDIA made the breakdown as well. I was too shy to take it. Looks nice. Overall market, 630, it's still quite of a big level there on the SPY. So let's see, and I'm going to be out on the TQQQ traders over 87.80. So the last shares, 87.80. If I can check my, okay. Oh, we are in? What was that sound? Yeah, HIMS is in. Thank you, Anne. We do like this room very much as well. Okay, especially when we have a great day, right?
What
Which
was
is
your
not
trigger,
always.
Aggie?
On
Aggie, what was your
HIMS,
trigger? Yeah,
60.
I didn't get there. I
Okay,
did
so what
60
was
to 80
this?
something.
Wait, I
How
have.
come you're in?
Okay, maybe I've
You
heard
should not
from
be
your
in.
side this sign. I thought I am in something. Okay, I'm
Oh,
not
you're
in
not.
yet. Sorry. All
Uh,
right.
false alarm, false alarm. Yeah.
No, sometimes I hear, this entry sound from the TEFS, and I think it was on your side, or I don't know, and I thought that
No.
HIMS is
Uh,
in, but no.
Videk, you have short in Fig? I don't know to understand Fig. Look at this. Look at Fig. If you can put Fig on just a second. Just put it in. Look at Fig. 8870 is really a key level. Like it hit it from the pre-market, and that was we actually broke a little bit, but we bounced. 91, I see 50. It's good, maybe up, and then maybe around 92 ads. Except those level, we are in the same range almost of the pre. Okay, I'm watching it. Believe me, I I thought it's gonna do a really good opportunities, like it did on the pre-market. It need to go. When you have those level, you need to know you actually can put if even older. I have like half position 9150 and above 92. I don't think that the alert will help me in this kind of crazy stock, because usually I like to use the alerts. Um, that's my my ideas about Fig. HIMS still okay. I still love it. Um,
Okay. Yeah, I really hope HIMS is going to give up at the end,
I'm
finally.
not a guest, man. I'm not a guest. I'm a member, not a guest, really. You think this conversation could be done with a guest? No? I know Aggie, we know behind the scene many years, so even we're not talk a lot, we know the we know about each other, like the way it trades, the attitude, everything. So it's just the
Mm,
first time we are in the same format, correct, Aggie?
Yep.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Um,
Look at
level.
Nvidia. Nvidia is not good.
Yeah.
Nvidia, yeah, you said like it's not. Who was the guy? Videk. Look, for example, in Nvidia, it's the same idea. You have the high 180.26, you have the low 178.58. You put exactly under 178, you could be like a dollar. The most bad thing to do, when you're trading in the range and there's not enough space and good risk reward, you just put. The TEFS guys will be happy. You do a lot of commission, okay, which is okay for them. For you, probably it can be different. So
SPY is still pushing lower though. HIMS not in yet. Yes, level 2. I just called HIMS under 62.90, right? This is the one. And decking. Usually 3-5 seconds is the max on the what is it called, latency. But actually, what happened in the TQQQ, that it did not take even 3 seconds to go down to my partialing point. So yeah, I think the latency, it was a bit bigger because of that. It moved with the news at 10 o'clock, and it immediately dropped this 80, 87, 90, something like this. So maybe that's why you felt like that the latency, it's a little bit more, but it was not actually. So that's funny. FIG 5-minute chart gap down 120.44. FIG. Okay, just a sec. FIG. Yeah. It's still struggling there. It's almost the IPO price there. So it's still quite of a stronger support for the FIG. I don't know, I just do not want to touch it at the moment. Overall market traders, though, we just moved from green to red. So let's see what's going to be the continuation here. I still like HIMS. I'm still going to hold TQQQ. However, my stop loss on TQQQ now, it's over. I'm just looking in some more profit there. And my stop loss, I'm going to move over 50, 87.50. And HIMS is still not in, but is getting closer to the 63 again. You're welcome. Ooh, Tesla is back too. And look at that Meta thing. Meta is just in a free fall now. Okay, come on, HIMS.
Look at the HIMS level 2, Aggie. 1 cent spread for this crazy dude. Like now it's
I
open
see.
to amazing. Now you will be
It is.
expected this move you're gonna have. Really? Okay, guys, it's under. Okay.
Okay, we are in
Yeah.
HIMS.
Now I heard it. Yeah.
I want to see $1 here at least.
No,
Actually,
Aggie, more
my
than a
dream number is
dollar.
61. 61 is my dream number
No,
for
60
the first
50,
time.
Aggie. 60 50, Aggie.
60
The
50?
zero pair.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm completely okay with that. So traders, HIMS is in, TQQQ is still in.
Okay. See
Mm,
the hymns we have to see, but that was exactly, we waited, for the right. And if you watch it on
yeah.
5 minutes, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exactly on the close of the gap. Boom, 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 boom. Okay,
Hmm.
it's like 50, 60 cents, which is fine.
Okay, here we are. Okay, D King, I'm going to check it with the team. Thank you to let me know about this possible latency, at least on the chart. Okay, SPY TQQ still quite continuous, but not that fast anymore.
Again, I forgot to write. Did you write the hymns or not?
Yes, yes, I've called it.
You write it? Yeah,
I did.
okay.
Did call it.
Okay, NVTS still there, no partial, looking good. It's on the V up again. If you want to put something, it's a little bit than 1 to 1, but I want to see it. I'm starting to watch it over on 15 minutes, and if it's breaking the 80, the 580, 680, so it looks really. So I'm a little bit waiting.
Hmm? Market is pulling back, seems like a little bit. Traders, I'm going to be out over 87.50 on the TQQQ trade. I'm still holding HIMS and waiting for the breakdown. Apple, it's completely just no strings attached to the market today. It's just going up. Oh, Soundhound was strong today. Why I have not watched it?
What did you have, D King?
Shoot.
In your platform, sometimes you have to close and open it. I know sometimes it happens to me once, when the level 2 was not exactly like, and, the easiest way is close and open.
Mm.
Okay, hymns. Go more.
Yeah,
Yeah,
finally it looks like it's working.
yeah.
Just need to break round numbers quickly.
Yeah, on fire. Yeah. If the next 5 minutes will, because now it's line kind of on the 9 EMA, but if it's gonna break it, yeah, it's looking good. Almost $1. Really good.
Hmm.
Really good.
Nice. HIMS, go, go, go.
Okay, look at your QUBT from earlier.
Oh, really? Back to the VWAP.
60, yeah. Okay, $1, guys.
Hmm.
Let's see if we can have most. Yeah.
Hmm.
I think the dollar here is just a number. It's exactly between the view of the 9. There's nothing there. We have 2 minutes and something to finish this 5 minutes. Um,
Okay. HIMS starting
break,
to look really
break.
good.
Good. 62, break it. What's the volume? Good. Volume is
Yeah,
good.
WIM is quite good as well.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Feel, guys, like you are on the surfboard. You are surfing now and you're catching the wave. That's your feeling supposed to be like. You can take a partial now, $1, which is okay. But I'm watching it on the 5 and still, I don't know if I'm gonna.
Even on the 2 minutes, it's just this VWAP, it looks like a quite of a doable, reachable area, I would say.
Which one are you talking about?
HIMS.
So in your 2 minutes, you're far from the view up.
Yeah, VWAP, it's around 60-80.
Exactly. This is why. This
Mm-hmm.
is exactly where I want to do the partial. Exactly. Even on the
Okay.
5 minute, it's there.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Nice. TQQQ traders, if we break 87, my stop loss is going to be like 87.25, something like that. For that, we need to see the break first of all.
Okay, $1.50. Well, good.
Yeah.
5 minutes
Minutes.
finish in about 25 seconds. Really good 5 minute bar. Really good. If the next one will
Strong.
break it, looking good. Looking good. Really. Everything line up there. 61. Really good. Go. Oh.
Market supports us. That's good.
Okay, good, Aggie.
Nice.
Yeah, no, we need no more.
Yeah.
I will compromise 61 area even, Aggie.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, $1.70. Looking good.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, on TQQQ, lowering my stop loss to 87.25 traders. I'm not taking any more partials, just lowering my stop loss. That's it. SPY triple Q still pushing lower.
Good, good.
Good
That's a trade. Really nice. Really
morning,
nice.
sellers on HIMS. They just woke
Good
up.
morning. Let's say that now, Aggie, if it's going above 61.50, I'm going to take the partial.
Yes, me too.
I'm, yeah, but I want to see if we can push more. Feel like in the Labor Day, in the labor
Yeah.
room, push.
Don't
We need the power
even
to push.
remind
Yeah.
me.
Sorry, I forgot. Okay, I was also in the labor. Yeah, yeah.
Really? A
For-
brave
yeah.
man. Wow.
Why not? I'm a brave man from the
Nice.
other side. Yeah, yeah. Okay, really good. It got to 40,
Beautiful.
dropped out. I want to see if it's breaking 61.20 again. 61.50. Gonna be the partial area. Good. I like.
Okay.
I'm just watching the level two. I just see it get into 40 and then drop down to, if it's break 61.20, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna break to 61.
Here it
Just watch
comes.
you. Good. Yeah. Level two is great. One
Yeah.
cent. See, yeah. We broke, we
Beautiful.
broke, we broke,
Okay,
we broke, we
traders.
broke.
Uh,
Celebration, celebration.
I'm ready to take soon my 75% off.
Yeah, here is
Here
$2,
we go.
guys. $2.
Fantastic.
Yeah, beautiful.
And this was our second chance, HIMS. Thank you.
I told you this will be
Mm,
the first lecture, second
yeah.
chance.
And here is
Okay,
the
here is
break.
we broke. 60, let's see if
Fantastic.
60, 80. That's my area. Now I'm lowering my stop first partial 61.20 or
Mm-hmm.
60.80. So I'm just doing the how it's called, visual trading. Like I'm
Visual
just
trading.
no,
Yeah.
like like I'm putting on the chart. Here it
Yes, I
is,
know.
60, 80, 80, 86. Ah,
Almost.
got
It was
86.
almost
Yeah.
there.
Okay,
Sellers
now it's
just got a
60,
bit. Now.
60.08. My apple. Okay, 89. Okay. I'm
Yeah.
squeezing it. I'm not giving it a chance to. Now it's above 61.05.
61.05.
61.01 or 60.80.
Yeah. Over 61, I'm going to take. And
Here it is,
almost
Aggie. Here it
there.
is.
5 cents. Come on. 3 cents.
Yay!
And we got
Yeah.
it. Took my
Woo!
partial, guys.
Aggie, and you
Whew.
wanted to take a $1. You see, Aggie?
I know.
You
I
wanted to
know.
take $1, Aggie.
You're really good
Amazing.
for my patience. I mean, I
No,
must
no, I
tell you.
have to follow it. Sometimes people say, because sometimes, not all the time it's working, but
Yeah.
if you do statistic on the 10 times, even if it's worked like 3 or 4 times, the amount that you earn there
Whew.
is it's better. Yeah, it's
That
good.
was a
Guys, you took it,
fantastic.
guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's like a rock show, guys, to do those kind of trades. Really.
Yeah,
Yeah.
completely. Completely.
Yeah. Beautiful. Okay,
Okay.
FIG, let's go to this piece of shit. Sorry. FIG, I have to do something with that. Yeah,
Okay.
I have to. I don't know why. I'm not going to do a full position there. I'm
I'm
good
here.
in
I
green.
just getting to get a coffee quickly, and I
No
will be back
problem,
soon.
Aggie.
Thank you.
I'm still excited. It's fine. Okay. Guys, you took the HIMS? Guys, tell me that you stay with us to the partial. You hear me, guys? Or you didn't take the trade? What's going on? I hope you're joking, man. I can't be serious more than I am. The way I reflect it, it's everybody's personality, but it's the most thing that I can be serious, about trading. Yeah. Okay. I'm still in NVTS. It's too much here. What I'm going to do here, a little bit more than 1 to 1, I'm going to take partial here. And I'm raising my stop, lowering my stop like few cents above 7. Okay, so I'm taking a partial, squeezing my stop for 5 cents, and yeah, just let the time doing whatever. So sometimes you see there is a variety of trades. The HIM's really aggressive one, and NVTS just going your way, profitable trade, and you should be, doing both of them. What are you watching, guys? Which stocks? You took that trade, bricks order. Yeah, that was a good trade, really. Um, it was a dollar risk. Um, took 2.2. Good, 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 good. Uh, so I had what was the stock? Okay, so I think I posted AMD, HIMS, FIG, and NVTS. So NVTS, it's a good trade. HIMS, really good. AMD I didn't do, and FIG, the first one wasn't good, but we look at the big picture. So yeah, FIG now broke the yeah. So whoa, what's going on in the market? Now was a good time to short FIG. Who wanted to short it? Yeah, that was a good area. Let's see NVTS. Okay, it's helping us. 3 cents, but it's helping us. Wow, HIMS, guys. If you have still, it's looking amazing. Now it's 3 point. Yeah. This is what I like to call let it grow, guys. Let it grow. Good, Vidic. Ah, you could short fig. Good. Good, good. Beautiful bar you got now. You see how it broke the low? The best bar ever, huh? Exactly, it broke the range. Good. W89, $3. Aki will be happy with her TQQQ. Very happy. Watching Marna? Wow, it's been a while since I watched Marna. I was trading with a student. We did a mentor, and I still remember he wanted to do swing Marna, and I remember above 60. And I told him, where is the stop? And I remember he said it was looking good. No, he had to put a stop. Look, where is the stock right now? 27. Wow. Look at the range of Marna. Why should you watch it? 50 cents all day. The momentum, it looks like Marna need to take their medicine. Videk, look at the stock that you're doing. Fig shorts, Tesla, roadblocks, momentum, volume, things happen. In Marna, you can drop dead. Nothing happened. Agi, look at him, Zagi. Let it grow. 4 points. 4 points. Yeah.
I
Quarter
see.
4 points is one risk unit. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Agi, you should go to do dinner, Agi. You see, you went to a coffee, look at your TQQQ and the hymns. Go make dinner and come back.
Plus $2 on each at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah.
I was just thinking
Amazing.
what to do for dinner.
You see, Agi. You see? Do something that have, red. Tomato, something, because of
Yeah,
the red market.
sure. Maybe I'm going to do
Yeah.
pizza
Okay.
margarita.
Pizza, pizza. I love pizza. I could live in a pizza, really.
My children too.
I love pizza.
I could I
I think
could as
everybody
well.
loves pizza.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, my TQQQ guys. Stop loss over
Yeah.
86.20. Nice.
Yeah.
I would say nice. Maybe I'm taking a bit more off. Like I still have 200 shares on TQQQ. Yeah, let's just drop us 100
Yeah.
here. And yeah, yesterday it was just a dead cat bounce on the market. Okay, another partial on the TQQQ traders. What was the horror here on this? Wow, nice risk reward ratio. I love these stocks. And HIMS, I think 58, it's
JMS,
reachable now.
why?
Mm.
Why? It's $4, Agi.
Crazy.
4 points.
Crazy.
I love those trades that you have the last quarter, and
Mm.
wow, just amazing. Yeah.
That's a drop. And Apple still does not care. I'm really just laughing when I'm just checking Apple all the time.
You're talking about what, Videk? One to one, or what are you talking about? Which stock? Look at this NVTS, Aggie. It's like broke the VWAP, doing bear flag, broke like 5 cents, and with this kind of market, and that I don't see kind of a capitulation. But I took a
Yeah,
pause, because I don't like that it's market is doing like this, and the stock is barely doing nothing. So it's a profitable trade, but it's pissed me off a little bit,
yeah,
that stock.
yeah. It
What's
just
going on?
doesn't doesn't join the bear party yet.
Yeah, it's 16% down. The market is crashing. What else do you need?
Mm. Maybe if this 670, I see quite a stronger support there.
Yeah.
Okay. For HIMS, it's another bear flag. After bull flags night, doing bear flags.
What did it do? You know what? I have to watch him's. Um, I think I get 58. Look at the pre-market. I think it's a level that I'm gonna take.
Mm.
I take something. There was a strong, not 58. Yeah, 58 area. Yeah.
58, yeah, this is my level there. Cashew nuts, Vidic. Nice and healthy. I like it too.
When it's a green day, cashew nuts, and when it's a red day, you mean red day for you or
Tomatoes.
for the market? Or strawberry, you need the strawberry so
Mm.
you're gonna feel better. Or cherry, cherry.
Yeah.
You can eat cherry. Yeah.
Oh, HIMS. My stop loss, I think it's going to be over 60. SPY, it's a little bit too much down. Let's see whether it can stop at all. Vidic, are you in short on FIG?
Yeah, he is.
Is? Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's in short.
Maybe.
I
Let's
don't
see.
think Videk, it looked like it's going to the 9. Look at the ratio, and let's see. Um, 5 minutes, it look 1 to 1, but look at this on 2 minutes. Look at this on 2 minutes. So you're gonna see the big bar that actually got you into the short. You have like 3 candles, and look at the size of the green one. So basically, it's actually going maybe 30% of the big bar. For me, it shows still weakness. What you can do is that's what I would do. If this candle is finishing like this and it's going back down above this current, 2 minutes, few cents above, you can lower your stop. That's what I would do. But still, it looks
Mm,
weak.
I think he's
Still, it
out. Closed FIG
with
for a scalp. He's out already.
Vida. Yeah, you decide that it's scalp because it's going few cents against, huh? Scalp need to be, your idea for what was your stop? Let's see. What was your stop?
Yeah, I'm going to leave my stop loss over 60 traders on the TQQQ. My stop loss is 86.24. So let's see.
Let's see. There is a crazy dude. It's called CWD. It's
CWD.
185% up, but I saw those kind of things. Definitely, it can go like 300 in a blink of a second. I'm trying to watch it and see
CW.
what you
Wow.
can do here. Yeah, let's see. Above 50, 750, you can take, let's say, 30%, 50-cent stop, and maybe above 8 to add. Those things can blow up really nice, and if not, but even the 30% can do amazing, really. That's what happened to me
Yeah,
yesterday with Valve. Valve was
I
not a
see.
small cap, but the potential is amazing. So sometimes even with a small amount, you can do really good stuff. Videk, I'm still waiting for your answer. How much was your stop?
Tesla
Okay,
and
CWT.
Roblox shorts play to my advantage
Okay.
now. Tesla and Roblox. Oh, I took it off my radar. Let me just check my ultimate favorite. X. Okay, TQQQ is out. Ah, you did close it already. Okay. So I'm out of TQQQ. Only HIMS is running, and I really hope for this 57 even. We break 58.
Okay, so
Okay.
CWT, I want to see it going above 50. I'm watching the bid. 50 exactly on the 50, 51. And with the SEC guys, it's good that we took the partial. You have to do when you see that the market is doing things like this and this stupid stock 70% down is not doing, so it's better to take some profit and lower stop, so it's going to be a profitable trade.
Nice, nice.
Agi, still hims, if it's breaking the 58.80, it still looks like a bear flag. You see, it's still
Yes.
looking
Yeah,
good.
that's why I'm patient with that
Where is
trade
your
as
stop
well.
now?
Wait a
Where is your
second.
stop?
See, over 60. Over 60, like 60, 10, something like that.
Okay. Yeah, we have 16 seconds to finish this 5 minutes, and we can see. That could be a scalp, Videk. Look at him. For example, although it's the almost launch, you could scalp it 58.80 and give it like a 30 cents. It has to drop immediately if it's going above 59 out. The risk reward can be amazing, and if you're gonna see a 1 bar of capitulation, I'm gonna do it. Like I'm gonna add an amount just for scalp. So my
Nice.
final stop gonna be probably, yeah, I think 60. What Agi said, I can deal with that. Yeah, I don't want to give space, but if it's keeping like this, it's not breaking this area here, breaking the 58.80, 30 cents. That's my stop for the scalp.
Okay. I need to leave though, guys, because I have a meeting today, like starting now. Amir, are you going
You
still
have
to
good
stay or?
excuses, Aggie. Aggie, you have good excuses why you're late, Aggie. Yeah,
That's for
show
sure.
them the P&L. Yeah, yeah.
That's
Nobody
for
can
sure.
say something. I'm gonna be here like another in the next 10 minutes. I'm gonna wrap it. I want to see the scalp, and then yeah,
This,
not more than ten
uh-huh.
minutes.
Okay.
Okay, guys,
Okay,
it's getting the
traders. So
hymns.
see you tomorrow then. Thank you, Amir, and have a fantastic
Thank you,
rest
Aggie.
of your day. Bye.
You too. You too. Amazon. So I'm watching the hymns. The hymns. The hymns. Uh, I'm gonna finish. Still watching CWD. If you have any question, guys, let's use that few minutes. I don't know. I need to digest more the FIG. That stock is. I don't know. I can't. There's lots of forces there. I don't know how to read it. Really. I don't. Hymns was easy. Uh, NVTS. Yeah, that one is a little bit difficult to me. Um, um, HIMS not relevant for the scalp. Just broke the area and I got out. So not a bad day. Good. Okay, guys. So no questions. So thank you very much. I'm gonna see you again um, on Tuesday. On Thursday. Sorry, today is Tuesday. It's a good day.